You need office politics to get a promotion fast at work, get a higher pay, and grow in your career. But you think that it is manipulative, sneaky, and toxic. The problem is you have the wrong mindset. Office politics is not the enemy. It is the person who is playing it that may be the enemy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate office politics and get promoted faster without compromising your values. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica Zorobi. On this channel, I share valuable information about career growth, productivity, and how to transition to working in the NGO sector for anyone who is interested. If you're new here and you're looking to get ahead in your career or transition to the NGO sector, you are in the right place. Don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button because you are going to be getting a lot of value here. You can also go a step further to hit the like button and leave me a comment. Thank you. The first thing is you need to understand the game. The workplace is highly competitive and it is not a bad thing, it is just reality. So if you don't bring your A game, you are going to be left behind. And it is true that there are some people in the workplace who are manipulative and toxic, but we are not going to be focusing on those people. We are going to be focusing on you who is looking to get ahead with your career without compromising your values, without being evil or toxic in the workplace. And you are going to get it. I would like you to think about office politics just like the conventional politics. It is not the politics that is bad, but the person who is playing it. So we have good politicians and we also have bad politicians. Just like you have good people in the workplace and you have bad people in the workplace. The bad people who will manipulate their strategy against others, and the good people who will be really strategic in positioning themselves to get better pays and promotions. So I'll ask you a question. Are you the good office politician or the bad office politician? If you're the bad office politician, unfortunately, I don't have information for you. But if you're a good office politician, I have the right information for you to get ahead at work. And so stick with me. The first thing is be diligent and excellent at your job. If you're going to be lazy or bring bare minimum to the job, that means you're going to fall on the side of being the evil office politician to be able to get ahead or get promotions or high paying salaries. You need to sleep your way, manipulate your way, and do all sorts to get promotions. But we don't do that here. You'll have to trash that "it's not my father's business" mindset, and you are going to take your work seriously, whether small or big. You are going to put your best foot forward. You are going to turn in your task at the right time. Don't be the person that turns in your task 1 week after it was due. It's going to be very difficult for you to be seen as somebody suitable for a promotion. And when you are turning in your work in due time, make sure that it's not sloppy. Make sure that your work is top notch, grammar is good, presentations are great, you have beautiful slides, you are turning in great work in due time. The thing is, excellence and diligence brings credibility, and credibility is a tool that is very essential for promotions. People at the workplace need to see and know that you're a reliable member of the team. The next point is be seen, don't just be good. A lot of us are on this table. There are a lot of you doing such great work, but you are hiding. Your team members don't know the quality of work you put in. The people who are key decision makers in the company don't know the quality of work you're putting in because you're hiding. You are letting someone else take the credit for your work. Stop doing that. And then you get angry when the person is getting promotions because they are the ones that the management is seeing. You see that incredible work you're doing, how you are being so diligent and excellent at it. Document it. Don't just document it, go ahead to share it with not just your colleagues but the people that matter. Be smart about sharing it. It doesn't mean you are trying to be boastful or anything. You can share it as updates. You update your supervisor. I'm done with this task. This is what I did. I was able to come up with this solution. Let's say your supervisor's name is Veronica. You send a mail and you say, "Hello Veronica, just to update you on what I've done so far this week. this is what I've accomplished, these are the solutions I'm suggesting, and things like that. And if you need to copy anybody, that's great as well. Without being micromanaged, constantly keep your manager updated with what you've done as your job, and also keep your team members updated. Let people know the quality of work you're doing. Stop hiding. When it's time for meetings, share ideas, right? Don't just keep quiet during those team meetings. If you have any suggestions, give intelligent suggestions. Let people see you. Volunteer for simple tasks, right? If everybody is running away from a task, I understand that people don't want to do anything above their pay grade, but you can take on a few so that you can be seen as competent to take on the next available higher role. Let those key decision makers see you. Another good thing is, in this digital age, document your work online. You may not document everything, but just a few things that are significant, you can put them up on LinkedIn. Other professionals are seeing, even your bosses, if they follow you on LinkedIn, they are seeing. The next point is, be easy to work with. Nobody wants to work with a diligent but difficult person. They will prefer to work with a person that is lazier but easy to work with than you, who knows the job so well and has so much skill, but you are too difficult to work with. This will make you lose influence fast, and you need influence for promotions. I know a lot of people always say things like they're trying to be as professional as possible. I understand, but I think that you can be professional and gracious at the same time. And being professional is not just about tasks or KPIs, it is also how you relate with people in the workplace. Don't be rude, acknowledge people's efforts, show up for team bonding. Some of us never show up for any team bonding activities. Show up for team bonding, compliment people, and this doesn't mean that you should be an ass licker, right? Or you should compromise your standards because you are trying to be friendly with people at the workplace. You can still be friendly and keep boundaries and be professional. The fourth point is grow. Don't sit on one qualification for too long. And this doesn't necessarily mean that you need to start working towards another degree. If you want to, that is really great. But you can grow by taking a course, getting mentorship, attending trainings, staying updated in your field, learning new skills. All these are different types of growth. And if you also want to get a new degree, by all means do. The truth is, people who grow consistently will get promoted consistently. If you remain stuck on one certificate or one qualification or one level of knowledge, you are going to be stuck for a long time, and after a while they may let you go. The next thing is, don't ignore gray areas. Some of us are very diligent, are very competent at our jobs, but then we are very poor communicators. Learn strategic communication. Those soft skills are very important. Beyond your hard skills, go for soft skills, problem solving, good communication. And aside that, also give attention to how you dress at work. Don't go to work looking shabby or you have mouth odor. Dress well, smell good, put a beautiful smile on your face, be punctual to work. Don't be the person that comes in 1 hour after resumption. Everybody is seeing and noticing, even if you think that they are not. Be nice to people. If it is necessary and appropriate to give out little gifts at work, you should. Probably, maybe during birthdays, you give somebody a pen, it's something. They know that you thought about them. You don't need to go overboard or trying to look like you're fighting to gain favor, but just be generally cool with your colleagues. Another thing you can do is to build genuine and strategic relationships. Don't build relationships pretending like you care. Just genuinely care for people and build relationships with them. Now, network horizontally. Build relationships with your colleagues and people around you. And as much as you can, try to also build relationships upwards. So build relationships vertically and horizontally. So build up. If you can connect with people above you, connect with them. Also, learn to connect with people below you. Sometimes we just focus on horizontally and up or up alone, but also build relationships downwards, because you will not know when you need those relationships. Probably it's the PA to the CEO who you've been treating badly that will put in a word that will kick you out of the list of people they are considering for promotions. The person could also put in a good word for you. Another thing is, speak the language of the company. That's the values, the culture, and the leadership. Don't go sharing ideas that are parallel to the vision of the company. Always align with the company's vision. oh, I have this idea and this is how it aligns with the company. Speak the language of the company. If there are common lingos that are used in the workplace where you work, always try to use them as well. And there's another thing I like to do a lot. It's called subtle branding. Anytime you are attending external meetings where you are representing your company, dress with at least a touch of your company's colors. Let it be that you are taking ownership of the company. You are representing your company even in their color, so you would remain in the mind of not just the people that you went to relate with, but also with your company. Another thing to do is to always ask for constructive feedback, not just from your supervisor during performance evaluations, but also from your colleagues. You may not even need to make it look like you're asking for feedback. Just ask for their idea. What do you think about this? Did I do it well? And when you get feedback, now use this feedback to not just evaluate yourself, but to get better, to make changes where necessary. Sometimes if you get feedback from like 3 or 4 people, you will notice that there may be a consistency in some things, and you should note these areas to either get better at or stop. But I'd like you to note that not everybody at the company may like you no matter how nice you are, and some people may be dubious in their feedbacks, so you have to be careful and be able to filter some things. Another thing is make your boss's life easier. Be the person that your boss can rely on, that they can go to sleep and trust that you will do the work, and not just do it, but do it well. Be proactive, anticipate their needs, and proffer solutions or ideas. One last thing, don't assume that they know that you are gunning for a promotion. Some people in the workplace or some decision makers deliberately shut their eyes to the good work people are doing and the fact that these people are due for promotions. So have career conversations with your supervisor. Ask them what it takes to get to the next level in the company and you are looking to grow. Don't make it like, oh, I want this promotion. Say something like, I'm looking to grow. I want to be better. I want to take on more responsibility. I would like to know what it would take for me to get to the next level in my career here at the company. Ask those kind of questions. At performance appraisals, also ask them how you're doing and if your performance is growth worthy. If you do all these things, I can tell you that you are on the right path to getting promoted as soon as possible. Now, if you do all these things and you do not get noticed enough to be promoted and you are constantly skipped, I think that you are not in the right organization. You are probably in an organization that does not value you. And so, this is the right time to begin to look forward to making decisions for your career growth, maybe beyond that organization. I'll leave you with this. Promotions are easy to get if you position yourself well. And if they don't come, at least make sure that you are the best person available for the job. Make yourself very hard to replace. I know that nobody is irreplaceable, but make yourself very difficult to replace. I hope this was valuable for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with your network. You don't know who might just need it. And turn on your notifications so that you can always get notified when I share a new video. Alright, see you on the next one. Bye.